Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance RAM with the G.SKILL Trident Z Neo DDR4 RAM kit. If you're a PC enthusiast or gamer looking to supercharge your system, you're in for a treat. Let's take a deep dive into the details of this memory kit. To start, this is a 32GB kit consisting of two 16GB modules. It operates at an impressive 3600 ms speed, making it ideal for those demanding tasks and gaming marathons. The low CAS latency of CL16 ensures snappy responsiveness. Now, here's something important to note. The Trident Z Neo series is designed specifically for AMD Ryzen 3000 and X570 series, as well as Intel Z390 and newer platforms. It's all about maximizing compatibility and performance. Let's talk aesthetics. The dual-tone design of these RAM modules is striking. The contrast between the black brushed aluminum and powder-coated silver not only looks premium but also adds a touch of power to your AMD-based build. And check out this sleek beveled edge. It draws inspiration from sports cars and supercars, giving your system that high-performance look. The asymmetrical slant adds a unique touch to the design. But what sets the Trident Z Neo apart is its powerful overclock performance. Crafted with hand-screened memory ICs and custom 10-layer PCBs, this RAM kit is engineered for outstanding memory performance. Plus, it features customizable RGB lighting with 8 zones to let you personalize your system's look. Controlling the RGB lighting is a breeze with the Trident Z lighting control software. You can adjust colors, effects, and brightness to match your setup's theme. It's all about making your PC truly yours. Before you rush out to get this RAM kit, remember this crucial advice: do not mix memory kits. These kits are sold as matched sets designed to run together seamlessly. Mixing memory kits can lead to stability issues or even system failure. Always stick with a single kit. In conclusion, the G.SKILL Trident Z Neo DDR4 RAM kit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to boost their PC's performance and aesthetics. It's tailor-made for AMD Ryzen and Intel platforms, and it combines sleek design with powerful overclocking capabilities. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews coming your way. Until next time, happy computing!